We are Wisconsin Robotics, and we would like to present Freefall for the SICK TiM 10K Challenge. Freefall is a compact, differential drive autonomous robot designed to help those who need assistance navigating outdoor environments. Featuring off-the-shelf components, it is a cost-effective alternative to a guide dog. A walking stick attached to Freefall would be held by the user to gently pull them towards a selected location. Freefall is designed to be small and lightweight. The device is about the size of a shoebox and weighs the same as a half gallon of milk, enabling users to easily bring it along wherever they would need to go. In order to navigate in unknown environments, Freefall has an onboard GPS and IMU sensor array. This combination allows for navigation to specific GPS waypoints, such as a park or a restaurant. To do this safely, Freefall has a SICK TiM 781 laser scanning sensor on the front that is used to detect and avoid obstacles in its path. This is done by taking the data from the sensor and distilling it into an obstacle density histogram. Looking at the graph, the software looks for valleys in the data, indicating walkable openings, and heads towards them in the direction closest to reaching its final destination. Freefall also features an IP camera using custom image recognition software. This can be used to identify fiducial markers that the user has laid out in spots of interest around their environment, such as the mailbox. This imaging processing algorithm can be extended to identify other features in the regular world, such as traffic signs or crosswalks. For people who struggle navigating foreign environments, having access to a seeing eye dog makes a world of a difference in their quality of life. This project strives to help make that freedom more accessible to the people who truly need it.